Okay, welcome back. Now we're doing an instruction video on how to remove the coiling and fill devices from the machine to make a basic chain stitch machine. First you'll need to cut your fill cord thread from the top bobbin and remove it with the rod inside. I always have these ready, the entire set, to go into a plastic bag so nothing is lost. On the top here you will find 3 small screws. These need to be undone. These are relatively easy to remove. This will help reduce the weight on the handle and foot of the machine by removing this part and the other parts which are to follow. Of course, if you need to reassemble them, do them in the reverse order of how I am undoing them. All into the bag. We'll come further down the face of the machine and need to remove the central coiling equipment, which includes the bobbin holder and guide. We'll need to cut our thread from the bobbin, remove this top screw here. The parts will swivel around a bit, there's no problem in that. There's only one screw holding it on. Put that into the bag with the holder and the bobbin in place. Move your handle around for ease of access to the guide. Again, just one screw. You may need to hold it because it does swivel around quite a bit. These have been applied tightly. You'll also need to do the same when you're reapplying them, nice and tight. And there we are, removed. Get the thread out from the guide, the screw and the guide into the plastic bag. Now, I have the coiling nipple in the machine at the moment because we have just finished coiling. I will need to cut off some of the excess. I will need to pull out the fill which was up from the top. I'll need to pull this out from the nipple. This is what I use my hook knives for. Catch that and ease it out. That's coming through the central plate there and we've pulled it out. Clean that off and discard. Next you'll need to open the cover of the machine. And this one up here, this gear which is up on the main shaft rod, will need to be loosened. In this case I'll need to activate the machine so that I can get access to the screw. By disengaging this, there's no particular timing for it either. So when you go to re-engage, you may want to re-time some of your components. You'll just need to loosen that, ease it off, rotate these here and re-engage. So for this one I'm keeping it to the side, tightening it up, making sure it's not touching anything, which at the moment it's not. One swivel of the handle to be sure, as you can see, perfect. And replace your front cover.